Hello and welcome everyone. This is another healthy and delicious recipe. I'm making granola, as always, sugar and oil-free. In general, I'm not such a big fan of oats, but when it's crispy and spiced like in this recipe, it changes everything. You can enjoy it with smoothies or yogurt, and at the end of the video I will share a serving option. The ingredients are simple. For the binding mixture, we need 4 large dates. I'm using medjool. Then 4 tablespoons of any nut butter of your choice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a cup of water. Then we need 1 cup of oats and 3 cups of nuts, seeds, and berries of your choice. I added half a cup of the following: pumpkin seeds, coconut chunks, goji berries, almonds, raisins, and walnuts. To begin, place dates into a container and add half a cup of hot water to soften them. Have them soaking for about 20 minutes. While that is getting ready, in a large bowl, combine oats together with nuts, seeds, and berries of your choice and mix it all up. Once dates are soft enough, place them with the soaking water into a blender. Add peanut butter and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Process for a couple of minutes. Now it is good to preheat the oven. We need it to be at 165 degrees Celsius. Then add the mixture to the dry ingredients and combine them well so that everything is evenly coated. Get a baking tray lined up with a silicone mat or baking paper and spread the mix nicely. This needs to be baked for about 40 minutes, and every 10 minutes we need to take it out and stir so that it is evenly baked. Once finished, let it cool for some time. It will make them nice and crisp. As you can hear, mine turned out great, and it smells like holidays in here. You can store this granola in an airtight container to avoid it getting soggy, and enjoy. I usually layer granola, yogurt, fruit, and repeat again. This makes a wonderful yogurt cup. It is really delicious, flavorful and crispy. You should definitely try it out and let me know how it went. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and goodbye!